Oh, great. You got a doorbell camera.
No.
Now you got a front row seat to your house getting robbed. And you're on vacation, and there's nothing you can do about it.
Honey, we're getting robbed!
Oh, Mom's jewelry.
Not the earrings. Get out!
It's really just the memories you keep anyway, right?
They're breaking into my house!
There goes the TV. I'm sure it'll turn up at the pawn shop.
No, not the TV!
Just because you can see them, that doesn't mean you can stop them.
With Slomin's, you get 24-hour monitoring, a free home security system, and professional installation. Plus, they'll even throw in a free doorbell camera.
Free?
One that'll actually work for you.
Put that down! No!
It's not total security unless it's the Slomin Shield. Call 1-800-ALARM-ME.
You see what time it is? Time to get a new security system.